Welcome to MarineMax at Silver Spring Marine in Wakefield, Rhode Island. My name is Keith Abel, and I'd like to introduce you to the all-new 13-foot Boston Whaler Super Sport 2020. This boat is fantastic for your cruising, water sports, fishing. You can beach the boat. These boats are meant to last a lifetime, pass it through generation. This boat does have the Mercury 4-stroke 40 horsepower engine. It does come with a trailer. You have a couple options for your seats. There's a cooler option with a seat that goes on top, and also you do have a bow pad option and a sun top. What a phenomenal boat. This is what started the company 61 years ago, 1958. For more information on the 13 Super Sport Boston Whaler 2020, please call Keith Abel at 203-996-2599. Thank you, and see you on the water.